Just wait a minute. I'm gonna share my screen for you. By the way, how are you, everyone?
Great.
Okay. Okay. So, we can start right now. So, yeah. So, but first of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Jansen Kobar from the Philippines. I'm the husband of Regem, the only daughter of our first sales master in the Philippines, Richard Mahinay. So, I am the son-in-law. All right. So without further ado, so we can already start the topic. So my topic for today, Matomyans. So but first, am I loud and clear?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Okay. Okay, so my topic for today, Matomyans, is our Atomy products. Okay. So yeah. So first of all, any one of you have a newcomers, or at least hope everyone is already have an idea what is an Atomy products. Okay. But don't worry, there's an explanation for this one. So the Atomy products is the product philosophy behind Atomy is to provide absolute quality and absolute price that is unbeatable. All right. And absolute quality means a quality that no one can match at a certain price point. So the Atomy product is the Atomy offers a good product with an excellent price. The price means the lowest possible price for the same quality. So the Atomy offers a good quality but competitive price other than brand. So this is the value that Atomy offered to us, our consumer, and to our customer to strive for since the beginning. All right. For the second, okay. So here's my topic for today. So this is the product that I will need to discuss to you. Number one is Himohim, the bestseller product of the Atomy. Second is Atomy Cafe Arabica Black. Second is Atomy Hydra Brightening. The fourth is Atomy Power Vita Energy. And last is Atomy Toothpaste. Okay, but don't worry. Later on, I will explain to you why all of the 500 to 600 products in the Atomy, why these five products I choose. All right. Number one, my topic for today is the Himohim. Okay, so this is very famous. Okay, Himohim. So my questions for you, everyone: why do you need to take Himohim? All right. So do you need to take? The reason why we need to take Himohim is to awaken exhausted or immunocytes or equal to healthy immune system. So yeah, Imohim is good for everyday using like me because I'm night worker. So I work at night. So um I always bring at office the Himohim. This is big because this is very helpful in my health. Second one, okay. Himohim developed the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, or KRE, number one individual approved functional food product, and number one in sales of an individual product across the Korean network marketing industry, sales in 19 countries, and has 16 patents worldwide. All right. Okay. So the Himohim as a substance with special immune function has been developed through biological and engineering and radiation technologies. So here's the three function of the Himohim: the Angelica gigas, Linguisticum, Sinens, and the Pioneer lactiflora. Okay? Okay, but back to the topic. So why I choose Himohim, everyone? Because as I said to you a while ago, based on my experience, okay, this is based on my experience, everyone. Because I work at night, and after I at 6 a.m. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. But one time, I try after I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch at 6 a.m. and I try to drink Himo Him. But and I surprised because when I don't have bring himo him in our office, I feel sleepy when I'm duty at work. So I tried one day after I eat my lunch. I took himo him one time and I see the difference. I my body is being lively. I'm not feeling sleepy at work. So the first one, the awaken exhausted immunicates, is very true to myself because I experience on myself for this one. So that's the reason why I put the him the number one because this is very helpful in my life right now. Okay, so my second topic for today is the Cafe Arabica. Okay, my first question, everyone. May I know if is everyone is a have a coffee lover? Do you like coffee, everyone?
Yes, I
Okay.
like coffee.
Yeah. Yeah, because also me, I'm a coffee lover. Okay. So, but Atomy has two different coffee, everyone. Okay. The first is the coffee Arabica black, and the other one is coffee Arabica. But right now, I need to tackle to you the Arabica black, and later on, I will discuss to you what is the reason why I choose the Cafe Arabica black right now. Okay. The Caprica Arabica black right now is in a calorie deficit because if you are on a calorie deficit right now, or what you mean dieting in yourself, so this is the best coffee. My best advice to you, everyone, is to try the Atomy um Arabica black. Okay. Okay. Here's the benefits of the Cafe Arabica black. Number one is increase your energy level, helps in gout, good for your liver, reduce depression, beneficial for weight loss. That's the number five. So that's the reason what's the benefits of Carabica Black is benefits for weight loss, reduce the diabetes risk, reduce the cancer risk, preventing Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, etc. All right. And next, last one. Here's the thing. Here in the two type of coffee I need to discuss to you is the Arabica and the Robusta. All right. So as you see on the left side, the Arabica have oval, much bigger, rather than the Robusta mid-cut curve. The Robusta is mid-cut straight. And the temperature is around 15 to 25 degrees. The Robusta is 20 to 30 degrees. And expensive, more expensive the Arabica than the Robusta. But uh, going to see on the bottom part, bottom yans, up to 1.4% caffeine sweeter than to the Robusta to up to 4% caffeine. Bitter. Okay, bitter. So that's the reason why I choose the Arabica Black because it's good on my health also because I'm a coffee lover, but I am also have experienced sometime hyperacidity. So that's the reason why I choose the Arabica Black because it's much lower or much less in caffeine than the Robusta. Because as you said, as you see on the bottom part, the percent part of the caffeine of Arabica than the Robusta, it's so much 1.4 to 4.4% caffeine bitter. Okay? So that's the advantages. So my best advice to everyone here Atomians, if you are in a dieting or if you are in a calorie deficit, and if you have a goal, but you can't stop drinking coffee, so this is the best fit for you, the Atomy Cafe Arabica Black. All right? So, okay. So next topic, Atomians right now. All right. The third topic is the Atomy Hydra Brightening Capsule Essence. All right. The Atomy Hydra Brightening Capsule Essence, bright complexion of moist skin with skin moisturizing energy. All right. So the strong UV rays, high temperature, humidity, and excessive sweating and exposure of air conditioning, Atomy Hydra Brightening Capsule Essence special traits, moisturize and leave lively skin with micro capsules. Combining toner and essence into one, can use right after washing face, keeping the toner. All right, so what is the reason why you choose the Atomy Hydra Brightening Capsule? Because as you said to me, I'm work at night, so when I wake up, I I need to clean my body and need to clean my face, and after I put some facial screen, the late I put first the Atomy Hydra Brightening Capsule because it gives me the moisturizing that I want on my face and lively skin with micro capsule, because here in the Philippines it's very hot, like strong UV rays, high temperature. All right, and also the it also has um if needed essence can be used after using Atomy 3 seconds beauty water, reduce moisture care, increase moisturizing energy, plus supply nutrients with micro capsule, plus locking moisturizer up with synergy effect of ACE and micro capsules. All right, so that's the advantages of the Atomy. All right, also number one, reduce moisture care. As I said to you, increase moisturizing energy, combine function of toner and essence, freshness of toner, and nutritions of essence. And aqua moisture toner plus aqua moisture serum equals to capsule essence. So that's the function of the Atomy Hydra. Second, supply moisture with microcapsules. Active ingredients such as microcapsule with vitamin E are not destroyed and help to safely reach to the skin. So yeah, Atomy Hydra is also a vitamin E that's good for our skin. Vitamin E, cellulose, mannitol. Cellulose is supplement layer form stabilization of capsule of active ingredients. The power vitamin E, skin. Okay, skin antioxidant, moisture and supply, improve skin protection. And also the mannitol is naturally occurring from fruits and veggies, moisture-friendly structure, help stabilization and transference of active ingredients. All right. Also the number three, locking up moisture with synergy of base and microcapsule. With synergy of base and microcapsules, with upgraded moisturizing effects, ample moisture is applied and absorbed moisture is locked. So yeah, betaine plus low molecular acid plus vitamin E plus cellulose plus mannitol equals to base capsule, high supply of moisture, strongly moisture locking effect. So here's the power bite that gives you effect after you use it. Second one, okay. Also it has also the second one, the Hydra Brightening Cream. So as I said a while ago, we topic the Hydra. So right now, the Hydra Brightening Cream. The Atomy Hydra Brightening Cream special traits power of pink moisture from vitamin B12 promotes moist and vivid skin regions. Maximize fresh skin moisture, use capsule essence and cream together. So they are combined. If you use the Power Hydra, you can also use the Power Hydra Brightening Cream. Okay, the brightening cream gives and maximize fresh skin, moisture, use capsule essence and plus cream together, pink antioxidant energy from vitamin B12 that's good for the skin, complete care for skin barrier with skin-friendly substance. So brightening cream is good, is a skin-friendly substance. All right. Okay. Also, it's rich, nutritious base, premium moisture supply for touch skin. It comes from the birch tree sap. The birch tree sap add coolness and freshness to your skin, as if you're taking a bath in a forest. So if you try to take a bath in the forest, like yeah, that's right. That's the feeling on that. The buckthorn extract contains of vitamin C and E and omega, and also improves skin elasticity and skin protection, helps care for sensitive and dry skin with soothing effect. So that's the effect, and also helps moisturize the skin, helps whitening, and also it's avoid wrinkle care and improves elasticity. So that's the benefits of using the Power Hydra cream, moisturizing cream to our skin. All right. Also, it has the just as the fragrance of the fruity flowers makes a fresh fruit smell good. It also makes your skin smell irresistible. So, also the cream, it also gives you a good smell like lemon, lime, mango, apple, jasmine, floral note, and the last one is musk. So it's not is so it is not also a cream, but it also gives you a good smell after you use it. All right. So yeah. Also next one, my topic also right now is the Power Vita Energy. Okay, so the power at Atomy Power Vita Energy is designed to meet the essential nutrients requirements for Koreans, promoting both vitality and health. Okay, the main ingredients include 13 types of vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin K, along with minerals like zinc, selenium, and iodine. With just 1 cup a day, you can meet 100% of daily vitamin intake. Okay, so okay, back to my life again. Also, this is my real life experience with the um Atomy Power Vita. So after when I go home, after I eat my what do you call late lunch at my house, before I sleep, this is my what do you call this one? Three drinks, Power Vita Energy. And my and the effect on myself after I wake up in the evening or in the afternoon, I feel like fresh or I feel like recharged. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know on myself, but that's on my experience and that's on my experience and that's on my observation on myself. When I drink Power Vita Energy, even I just sleep before I sleep, I drink this. When I wake up, I feel so much energy and it helps my body recharge in a ample short of time. So yeah, also we continue. But also Parabitas, vitamin C and vitamin E are known for their antioxidant properties. Vitamin D and iodine help generate energy, and zinc supports and proper immune function. So for this, for the sa so for the Power Vita, you can use it every day in life for the use for the vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin D. All right. Also, the nutrient. Okay, as you see on the PowerPoint, the nutritional facts. Vitamin. It has its vitamin C, vitamin E, the zinc, the vitamin A, and it lasts a chromium and level of atomic Power Vita energy. It has a B1, B2, and folic acid, and iodine, and vitamin B12. So that's the benefits if you drink every day the Atomy Power Vita energy. All right. Second is the Atomy toothpaste. Okay. Atomy toothpaste, my favorite toothpaste in my life right now. Why? Okay, but first, dental plaque removing, anti-plaque effect, dental cavities, or preventing effect, and bad breath removing effect. And also, the toothpaste have two types of grams, the 50 grams and the 200 grams. So, what is propolis? Propolis is used to seal the beehive to protect the inside from viruses and germs. It is natural protective substance that is made to prevent the outer germs, and it is widely used on health supplement and antibacterial daily necessities. So yes, this toothpaste has a propolis. What is propolis? It is yes, made of honey, guys, everyone. It is made of honey. So this toothpaste is very natural. So that's the reason why this is my favorite toothpaste right now, because when I use it, it gives my mouth sweet effect. I don't know, because I think because of the propolis. Okay, also for this one, it has the green tea extract also. Major ingredients of green tea enhance immune power, as polyphenol ingredient has an antioxidant. So also it has a green tea extract that good for our teeth, and also to remove the bad breath. So that's the reason, everyone, why I like this, because it gives natural. Because here in the Philippines, as I remember, if there is some propolis brand, but I know the Atomy toothpaste, the propolis is much cheaper than the other brand. So that's the reason also what's why this is my favorite toothpaste as of now, because this is much cheaper and much natural resources. Very natural. All right. Also, for that one, thank you, Atomians, for your time and effort to listen my topic for today, and I hope you enjoy and you listen to my topic. And that's it. And have a good day. Bye bye.